morning, beautiful people. How y'all doing? Hope everybody's doing great. Today's vlog. We're going to pumpkin patch. Ang ganda guys ng ng cloud. Yan, we're almost here.
Oh, really? Something wrong with it.
How long has it been? What was that long?
Ayan guys, nandito na kami. Ang aga namin dito kasi pag late ka na pupunta dito marami ng tao. Dito na kami sa entrance. Ayan, no pets allowed at saka no smoking. Tapos ayun guys, meron silang Mexican food na tinda. May mga empanada sila. Ayan, ang daming pumpkin. Ayan guys. Kaya pumunta kami dito kasi nga mamimili yung anak ko ng pumpkin. Ayan, I like this one. Ayan, kung gusto nyo magpa-picture taken, ayan guys. Ayan, dito tayo sa, sa mga donut nila. Meron silang apple cider donuts. At saka yung hot cider apple. Masarap guys yung hot cider apple. Natikman ko na yan. Pero yung donut nila, hindi ko pa natikman. Amber, did you ever try this apple cider donuts here? Ayan, marami rin silang popcorn. Yung paborito ng apo ko. Sigurado bibili yan siya bago kami uuwi. Here's my daughter's sister-in-law over there. And her husband and the kids. This is a nice place. I mean, this is my second time. I've been here before. Marami rin silang iba't ibang klaseng mais. Ayun guys. Then, iba't ibang klaseng mga squash, pumpkin. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these.
Charlie, you want this one?
You'll pick it up. No, that'll snap.
Magandang pagka-set up nila. Talagang falls ang dating. Ayun, yan na guys ang nabili nila yung mga pumpkin at saka yung kalabasa.
So I just take out little bits at a time.
Still sitting in the freezer.
We do. We've had stuff from last year. We still eat it.
This is a mint chocolate chip. This is pumpkin with vanilla bean. This is a pumpkin with pumpkin spice. This is peanut butter with chocolate cake. This is maple bacon with chocolate cake. Marshmallow on chocolate and cookies and cream on chocolate.
Ooh.
And the witch's brew is a chocolate cake with the marshmallow buttercream again.
Yan guys, nagtitinda rin sila ng firewood. $10 each bundle. Ano na siya? Mura na.
I would shake this.
Okay guys, uwi na kami. Nakabili na kami ng ng 3 malaking pumpkin para sa Halloween. Saka yung mga maliliit. Saka bumili na rin ako ng kalabasa na maliit. I hope you enjoy my video for today, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. You all have a wonderful day, wonderful night. God bless us all. Bye.